What is it about a conversation that we find so hard? Well, I believe there are a few things at play here. We worry about our ability to communicate and connect with others, and we also worry about what type of response and feedback we receive. So in this video, we will be discussing how to stop overthinking, building a solid foundation in communication skills, and how to deal with unwanted or unexpected responses and feedback. We can stop overthinking by emotionally detaching from the situation. When we detach, we focus our attention onto something beyond ourselves. We engage with others and enter a more present moment. We are more authentic and fluent. And at this point, we should no longer be thinking, but rather naturally responding in the moment. So how do we emotionally detach from a situation? We remind ourselves what our intent is. We focus on the things we can control. We realize emotions are meaningless until we attach meaning to them. And remember, our emotions are a biological reaction, not a factual response. Our ability to properly communicate breaks down into skill acquisition. The more skills we can obtain, the easier it will be to make a connection with someone. So here are some skills we can work on. Body language, friendly demeanor, enthusiasm and inflection when we speak, showing a genuine interest, listening to them, acknowledging them. Broaden your horizon so there's just naturally more to talk about. If you learn these skills, people will gravitate towards you, and you should be able to frequently make connections with others. Most of us worry about what others will think, say, or even do to us. But that means we are focusing on things that we cannot control instead of focusing on things that we can control in the present moment. There is a saying that goes, "Those who suffer before it is necessary suffer more than is necessary." And that's the state where the majority of us spend our time, imagining things that have not yet occurred and most likely will not occur. So how do we deal with unwanted or unexpected responses and feedback when they actually do happen? Well, we can either address them on the spot, we can ignore them and move on, or we can keep calm in the moment and later think about why things unfolded the way they did. Now, you will have to decide in the moment which one of these is appropriate for the situation. In my opinion, the majority of the time, you will be going home and thinking about why things unfolded the way they did. You will rarely have to address the situation on the spot, and a lot of the time, it's just absolutely meaningless, so you'll just move on.